That's all there is to it.
That's all there is to it.
Continue raising the jack until the spare tire stops moving upward and is held firmly in place. The secondary latch has released and the spare tire is balancing on the jack. Lower the jack by turning the wheel wrench counterclockwise. Keep lowering the jack until the spare slides off jack where it's hanging by the cable. What the fuck?
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the spare tire. If everything goes right, for us, pretty much nothing went right. So we ended up using a Sawzall and a torch, and we'll get into that.
Okay, so we'll go back to
Straight links. On one end is a larger square end, and then there's a small square receptacle down at a 45-degree angle. You get the rod on there.
And then if everything goes right,
when tire stops, these vehicles have a secondary safety latch. So if you go down and you get down to about here and it stops, your secondary safety latch has engaged. To disengage it, you can check your manual, but basically the process is you put a jack, or it tells you to use the jack that comes with your vehicle, put it right under the hoist carrier that goes through the center of the wheel and jack it up, and the force of that is supposed to disengage the secondary latch. But guess what? On our vehicle, the latch is so frozen, it didn't happen that way.
So I thought it didn't need to raise its even more. This is bent from prior Phuckery.
But regardless, if your wheel came down or if your secondary latch is still engaged, you should be able to remove the 3 bolts that hold the carrier. There's one here and one there, and then if you pull the tire down, you can remove the one in here.
If I had just known this shit and didn't have to go through this bullshit, it would have been done already. Stuff like this.
Okay, here I'm fast forwarding. I'm using an extension to get that bolt that's on top of the wheel, and I run into problem number 2. Okay, so here are the 2 problems I've run into. My first problem is the red arrow, which is pointing at the corroded and rusted secondary latch frame. Center the tire back up, and it's supposed to disconnect, but it won't. Then the blue arrow points to a broken clip nut. That's the bolt that holds the hoist. Unbolt the hoist and bring the hoist back up, and the bolt won't come out. So I guess we're forced to cut through that secondary latch. Using the reciprocating saw tool, and put that secondary latch in the clutch.
That's it.
That's it.
That's all there is to it.